Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn APL with Neural Networks series. In this series we will be looking to build a basic machine learning framework that you can use to create neural networks and train them for the tasks you want. I went ahead and trained my neural network to recognize handwritten digits. As you can see here, these represent digits that real people wrote in real life. And at the bottom you can find some of the guesses of the neural network. I was lucky enough that all of these were correctly classified. And I did this in APL, and that is what we will be learning in this series. APL, an array-oriented programming language. It's highly likely that you never programmed in a language like APL, especially if you usually code in those popular languages like Python or JavaScript. So it will be very enriching for you to learn some array-oriented programming. And also I will teach you enough about neural networks so that you gain an intuitive understanding of what is going on, and so that you understand why things are being built that way. You won't be an expert by the time we are done, but you also won't be completely clueless. Finally, these videos will be created in a way that some of them are skippable if you are already familiar or very comfortable with some of the concepts that I need to introduce. So for example, if you are very familiar with neural networks, you can skip the videos where I talk about neural networks and only watch the videos where I talk about APL. And same thing other way around. If you know APL very well, you can skip the videos where I introduce the concepts, the APL concepts, and just watch the videos where I talk about neural networks. Or of course, if you don't know much about any of these two topics, you can watch all of the videos. And hopefully this makes the series suitable for people with very diverse backgrounds. Another important thing is that these videos will be posted online more or less like I record them. So I will try to keep the editing to a minimum, and there's a very particular reason for why I'm going to do that, and that is because it will, in my opinion of course, it's going to be the best way to mimic the situation in which we would be sitting next to each other and we would be coding together and hitting bugs and fixing things as we go. And because I won't be editing the videos, of course I will try to make few mistakes, but I will inevitably make some of them, and then I will be caught off guard by them, and then we will fix them, and that provides a much more enriching learning experience for you, in my opinion. I will also have to apologize for my English. I think I can make myself understood well enough, but sometimes I will make grammar mistakes or vocabulary mistakes, or maybe enunciate some words in a weird way. So feel free to let me know if I did those things, so I don't do them again, but I will probably do that. And I will also, to close this video, to finish this video, I would also like to invite you to pause the videos. Whenever I introduce something, whenever I mention something new, feel free to pause the video. Actually, I encourage you to do so and explore for yourself. Try different examples in your computer. Go ahead and look things up online. Please make the most out of this. And without further ado, you can skip to the next video and we will get you set up with APL so that we can start coding.